Hi, in this demonstration, we are going to see how a Bharat English test can be created and attempted. So, I have logged in into the platform as an admin, and then firstly, I'll be creating a mock test. So, I have navigated to my test and then test repository. So, here we need to create a mock test. To create a mock test, click on the create test icon from the test repository screen. So here, give the test name. I'll be giving it as BET26 and then select the code, the grade for which we are going to conduct. I'll be selecting 6th grade and the test type will be mock test. And click on next. So here we need to create sections. So the Bharat English test mainly consists of 4 things, that is listening, speaking, reading and writing. So I'll be creating 4 sections. The section names will be listening, speaking, reading and writing. Right, I have given the section name as listening and the question count will be 3. And then next, the section name will be speaking. I'll be giving 2 questions from speaking. The next comes reading. And the last one is writing. So once I'm done creating the sections, we need to add questions into these sections. So to add questions in listening section, click on the action button and click on add questions. So here we need to select the questions. So I'll be selecting from chapter English, chapter 5. I'll be selecting all the subtopics and complexities. So here the listening test will be basically audio based questions. So the question type will be audio based multiple choice. And then click on get questions. So here we'll be having the list of questions. So I'll be selecting 3 questions for listening. Once I select all the questions, I'll click on next. And in the same way we need to add questions for the rest of the 3. To again add questions in speaking, click on add questions. Again select the subject, the chapter, subtopics and complexity. For speaking, we'll be having speech type of questions. So select speech and again click on get questions. So these are the speech type questions. So I'll be selecting 2 questions for speech. And the next one is reading. Again go to add questions. Select the subject, chapter, all the subtopics and complexity. The reading will consist of paragraph based questions. So I'll be selecting paragraph and I'll select the paragraph. And the last one will be writing. So writing mainly consists of subjective type of questions. So I need to select subjective questions. So I'll be selecting 2 subjective questions and we are done. So I'll also give a negative marking to subjective type of questions. And once we are done adding all the questions, click on publish. So now the test that we have created is published. Now we need to schedule the test, where once after scheduling, this test will be visible to the students and from there the student can attempt it. So I'll be scheduling the test. I'll give a start date and due date. So along with the time, so the test will be ending at 12:30 and the duration for the test. So I'll be giving 30 minutes of duration to finish the test. And once after I fill in all the details, I'll click on schedule. Now the schedule has been created. The student can attempt this particular test by logging in. So now I have logged in as a student and navigated to my institute test. So this is the test that we have created now. So to start writing the test, click on start now. Click on I am ready to begin. So now here we can see the instructions. We can see all the questions that are there for this particular test, and also here the timer will be running. The time duration that we gave was 30 minutes, so the timer will be running for 30 minutes, and the student needs to finish the exam in 30 minutes, right? And here we have listening, speaking, reading and writing, and the student needs to start writing with listening. And here we have a question and the MCQs, and here we have the audio. So first the student
Miss
needs
Beam
to
asked
hear
the
to the
writer to
audio and then read the question and choose the particular option. Once after the student selects the option, click on save and next. So in the same way, there will be audio for all the questions. The student needs to listen to the audio, answer the question and then choose the correct option. So once after attempting, if the student wants to clear the answer, he can just click on clear. So in the same way, the student needs to attempt all the questions. And the next thing is speaking. So in speaking, we'll be having a audio, and then here we have a recording option. So the student needs to listen to the audio and he needs to speak this particular question. He needs to record it. So to record, click on start recording, and once the student starts recording, it will be recording, and once after his recording, he can click on save to save his audio file. So in the same way, if the student is not satisfied with his recording, he can just click on clear and the audio will be cleared. So in the same way, the student needs to attempt all the speak type of questions as well. Once after recording, ensure that it is saved and click on save and next. And the next one is reading. In reading, we'll be having a paragraph and we'll be having MCQs based on the paragraphs. The student needs to go through the paragraph and then read the question and choose the correct option. And the reading is done. Once after he has attempted, click on save and next. And the last one that we have is writing. In writing, we'll be having a subjective question, and in this text box, the student needs to write his answer. So once after writing the answer, click on save and next to save the answer. So in this way, the student needs to attempt writing, and the student can check all the attempted answers once again. And if once he clicks on submit, the test will be submitted, and here he can also click on resume test to go back and then answer it again. If the student is satisfied with his answers, he can just click on submit to submit the test.